This is my honest review of this pet waste bag container that you can store your waste bags in until you use them. It just opens like that. You push in your bags like this. Things like that. Pull the one through. Like that. And then just twist the cap back on, and there you have your waste bag. And you just pull it out, and it dispenses the bags so they don't unroll, and then you just tear off your bag, and the next one's ready to go. I like having these. It used to have a little clip on it. It was lost, but you can always clip it to a keychain or get a little clip that you can clip to your belt buckle or to the leash. This is a product I highly recommend, 10 out of 10. And my name is Jenny, and I'm just here to give you an informed buying decision.